shot in Tucson. Out here in Arizona. Check out this beautiful country. I don't know if it's fucking film will do it justice, but check it out.
Beside myself, I'm so impressed with the ancient word. It's contaminating me. I stifled all.
Talk about the Super 8 experience. Super 8 hotel in
Lives to construct the letters for the words I cannot express. So give so long isolation till I purge it in the spleen. Thoughts on my side, the lacerations deepen further. Play with some cells in me. Just I'm on a telling day. Motherfucking acronym. Get onto the panic, take aside myself. Surrounds and strong lines to construct the letters for the words I cannot express. So get so long isolation till I purge and fit the spleen. Till I purge and fit the spleen. Drop down.
So it's 8:50 in the motherfucking morning. And this is what we've been listening to for the past fucking hour.
getting some tacos at the Chronic Tacos.
We're making rock and roll, mate.
Let's go.
Fuck again! Fuck!
You did. Everywhere.
Malfunction.